Hello coin collectors out there, welcome back to the DC Coin World channel. Hopefully you have been enjoying these foreign coins, these world coins, these international coin videos that I've been posting here on the channel. Here we have a coin from Italy, which will be the main focus of today's video. This is the 100 Lire coin. It was made during 1993 up until 2001. So the coin that I have right here is actually the first year that these came out in 1993. And as you could imagine, the highest year of production, the highest mintage amount is the year 1993. There are 211 million of them made that look just like this coin right here. The next year, 1994, there are 180 million, then 210 million, then 70 million, 120 million, 120 million. So the mintages do drop off a little bit. Significantly after 3 years of them producing these coins. There are also 8,500 of these that were made that have the proof variety, so those will have a little bit of a fancier, shinier finish to them. The actual metal content of the coin is copper and nickel. Its value is 100 Lire, which is abbreviated 100 ITL. Has a weight of 4.5 grams, diameter 22 millimeters, and a thickness of 1.5. What you're looking at is the reverse. The reverse has some neat imagery to it, so I'll point out what those images are. So at the top of the coin right here, we see a bird in flight at the very top. We see a dolphin down here below. We see an olive branch on the left, and then a wheat stalk on the right. So very cool imagery. Again, I'll go over those again. Bird at the top, dolphin at the bottom. Olive branch, wheat stalk right here, and then in the very center, the biggest lettering that you see is the face value of the coin. We see the year that it was made down here, 1993, in R. Now, I'm not sure the significance of the R, but all of the coins that I've looked at so far from Italy have that R mint mark on them. Flip it over to the obverse of the coin. Also, a very noticeable trend that I've looked at so far with my Italian coins is that they all seem to have this head on the obverse side of the coin. Now, sometimes it's a male head, sometimes it's a female head. Usually the actual characteristics of the head change a little bit. But here we have a female head. She is facing the left. She has long hair, and it's tucked underneath a turreted cap. So we see this lady, she's got a cap. She's got some long hair. Some of it's kind of flowing out of the cap. We see Republic of Italy going around the outside of the coin. Then down here at the bottom, I'll zoom in so you can see this, is the engraver's name. So the engraver's name is L.CRETARA. Her the initial of her first name right here is L, and then we see her full last name. So this coin is 100 Lire. I wanted to bring in another coin for comparison. This one right here. This one was made a little bit later, but it is 10 times the value of that 100 Lire coin. So this coin right here is worth 1,000 Lire. When we flip it over to the reverse side right here, we see the 1,000 on the left right down here. We see the date it was made, 1997. This coin was made from 97 till 2001, so a very short run. We see that R mint mark. We see the engraver's first initial and then last name down here. And then in the very center right here, we see a map of Europe. Now the map noticeably has Germany reunited, so we see the full Germany right here, not it split up like you might have seen on other maps from earlier years. The mintages of this coin, there are 80 million of this 1,000 Lire coin that were made in 1997. There are 180 million that were made in 1998. So that's worth noting. We flip it over, a similar image that we saw exactly with the 100 Lire, the same head is apparent on the 100 Lire as was the 1,000 Lire. Now there's some other different stars going around the outside, but we see the engraver's same first initial right here as we see down here. Now the metal content of this coin in the back is a bimetallic metal content. So these coins look very, very nice, the ones that are bimetallic metal content. So it has a copper nickel center and the aluminum bronze ring going around the outside. Now you can see going around the outside, that's definitely got a bronze color to it, and then a nickel coloring in the center of the ring. Alright everyone, that's all I've got for today's video. If you're into coin collecting, please do check out some of the other videos on this channel. Thank you very much, and best of luck coin collecting out there, everyone. Enjoy!